Hi friends, good morning. Hope everyone is doing good. I am doing good. So today what we are baking is the Oreo cake. The ingredients are Oreo biscuits, milk, then vanilla essence, then baking soda, then sugar, the grinding for sugar powder. So let's start the baking. Now I am grinding the Oreo biscuits to make a powdered Oreo.
Okay, keep it.
So now I am cutting into Oreo breaking pieces. I add a milk so it becomes a dark brown. It's a batter. It's a cocoa.
Stir well. Stir.
It looks like a chocolate mountain.
Okay, mix it well. It should come like a creamy, okay? It should come like a creamy texture.
Let it cook for half an hour. After half an hour, you can taste our cake. Now I am inserting stick. If the stick is clear without any batter, the cake is perfectly cooked.
Okay, let's check the stick. Check the stick. Take out the stick. So, show me. Is it clear?
Yes.
Yes. So, which means the cake is perfectly
Yes.
cooked, right?
Yes.
Okay.
So, if the cake is perfectly cooked, then the cake is perfectly cooking. So, if the cake is so upside down, then you can make it a decoration with the almond sticks or gems.
Are you ready to tilt the cake?
Yes.
Or you want to wait for some more time?
No, just. See you in the next video. Thank you then. Bye.